All right, now that we've formed our butter cookies into a crust, I'm gonna pop this in my oven at 350 for about 5 minutes to get it baked up. Alrighty, y'all, we've just got our cookie tin cooling in the fridge. I'm coming in with some eggnog here. I'm gonna put about 2 cups of this, or about half of this container, into my bowl there. I'm just kind of doing it by feel, maybe just a little bit more. That looks perfect. This is non-alcoholic, regular, traditional eggnog. And to this, I'm gonna add a small box of vanilla Jello instant pudding. Now we're just gonna start mixing this all up here. I don't want it to get too firmly set yet, but we want it to start setting, and we're gonna add one more thing, so stick around. All right, this is thickening up nicely. I'm just gonna come in with my thawed Cool Whip. I had to make sure it was thawed, y'all. And I'm just gonna put this entire 8-ounce container right in here. And we're just gonna start folding this in and incorporating it. Oh, you know what? I wanted to add a little bit of extra nutmeg, just a sprinkle to enhance that eggnog. And here we go. We're just gonna fold this all in. Don't wanna beat all the air out of that Cool Whip, but I want that eggnog pudding mixture to become nice and light and fluffy. Alrighty, I'm just gonna stick this in the fridge to chill while we grab our next ingredient. All right, y'all, our cookie crust is ready. Now I just baked this for about 5 minutes to get it started, and then I let it cool for about 15 minutes in the fridge. I'm gonna use some cherry pie filling here. I think cherry is a good flavor for Christmas. And we're just gonna plop that right down into our butter cookie crust. Look how beautiful that's looking. Now I'm bringing back in my bowl of my eggnog pudding mix, and I'm just gonna spoon that over and fill it to the top of my crust. Perfect. Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna just pop this in the fridge for about 2 hours, and then we'll be ready to enjoy. Alrighty, y'all. Our eggnog pie has been sitting, eggnog cherry pie. We're just gonna put a little bit of whipped cream dollops around here. Y'all, this is gonna be so pretty. Whoop. So tasty. Perfect.
Beautiful.
Alrighty, I'm gonna grab myself a scoop out of here. Ooh, look at that. Oh my God. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious? Cherry eggnog butter cookies. Yum, 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 yum. I cannot wait to try this, y'all. Wow, this is so delicious for Christmas. You gotta try it.